In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my tips on creative Instagram stories, quick and easy. So if you want to attract some new profile visits, add some spice to your stories, or maybe just make aesthetically pleasing stories for yourself, stick around for all the tea. What's up guys, it's Dr. Dito. Welcome back to my channel for videos on social media growth, productivity, and lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button below to make your dreams follow you. Before we start, here is this week's Go-Getter. If you want to be featured in my next video, make sure to leave a comment below or give me a shout out on Instagram and tag me. So how do you make stories that are aesthetically pleasing and eye-catching and actually make people swiping by quickly stop? Here's how. App templates. This is the easiest way to get some good Instagram stories for your followers to attract them and send them to your profile. And hello, we live in the age of technology. There's hundreds of apps out there that are personalized, customizable, and downloadable for your pleasure. Some apps that I recommend that are free or freemium are Canva Stories, Unfold, Impresso, Story Chic, Mojo, you name it, just search it up on the App Store. Pinterest is also a great place, and I'm going to be mentioning a lot in this video. It's great for those question templates for this or that, and those are amazing to help your followers kind of get to know you so they relate and they follow you. Use a new post background. Now, I'm just not talking about when you add your newest post to your story and say, go like it. No, that's boring. We don't do things around here like that. When you have a new post and you want to promote it on your stories, get someone's attention by using a different background. You're going to head to Pinterest or Safari or get a nice background that you have. Head to an eraser app. Any eraser app will work. Erase a little square in the middle. It doesn't have to be as big as your post. Go to your camera roll, click the arrow with the square around it, whatever it's called, in the bottom left. Click copy, head to your story, add your newest post to your story, go into text button, paste, you have your photo with the erased bottom in it. Enlarge it so that it fits the screen, and then tap the photo in the middle and then use it to cover the whole. Then you have a brand new, fantastic, unique story. Speaking of copying and pasting, just copy and paste photos onto your story. You can actually copy and paste as many photos as you want on your story, and sometimes even videos works, but I haven't figured it out yet. So whether you want to do a lookbook of all your looks from today, or your shopping haul, or even just a day at the beach, a special location, get all those photos that you took on that day, copy them, paste them. I think you have to do it one at a time though. And then you can make your own template or your own collage in case you don't want to use an app for some reason, but trust me, it's way easier. And you can kind of customize it to your own. And that's another unique way to showcase your day. Make your emojis glow. Everyone knows that you can either use the text option to put down emojis through your keyboard, or you can go into the stickers option and add emojis. But if you write the emoji through the text option and set it to the glow font, then you have sort of that neon glowing-esque border around the emoji, and it's gonna make it stand out more in your stories. Now, this is just something quick, but honey, it makes a difference, okay? Now, this may be something simple or you already know, but some people might not know. And trust me, it makes all the difference to make your emojis light up your story like a Christmas tree. Play around with Instagram's tools. So, Instagram has provided amazing tools. You have the poll, you have the rating tool. I like to take the rating tool and instead of making it horizontal, make it vertical. This way you can add more categories for your followers to rate and it'll be more fun for them. For example, you can do favorite pizza toppings or favorite movie, whatever. And they have more options instead of just mindlessly swiping it to rate like your first trap pick. No offense. Use the swipe up link. As you know, Instagram is a great place to promote your newest projects, especially stories, because more people actually view stories than actual posts because of the algorithm not being chronological anymore. So you definitely want to use stories to promote your latest video, your latest project, whatever. Using the swipe up link is more effective because people are lazy and they just want to swipe up to your project. They don't got time for your BS. Go to your profile, find it. Go to your YouTube, find it. Go to your Facebook, find it. You gotta sign in, whatever. No one wants to do that anymore. Unfortunately, you can only have the swipe up link if you have 10,000 followers or more on Instagram. Did you really think I was just gonna limit you and dream about reaching 10K followers? Did you really think I was gonna wait for that? No. That's why I have a previous video that I made on this already to get the swipe up link for free without 10K followers. You're welcome. Check that out. Use nicer Instagram gifs and stickers. As you know, Instagram has gifs and stickers, and they're great. I mean, they're cute, but gorgeous devours cute. And sometimes they're little cute stickers and gifs. They're low quality, they are ugly as hell, or there's a limited range of options. Like for example, if you do yellow, there's not much to work with, let me tell you. So I head to Pinterest and I search up in the search bar, Instagram stickers. There's tons of graphic designers that have made their own collection of beautiful stickers and gifs for you to use. And all you have to do is just see what keyword you need to type in the gift search bar. Then head back to Instagram, search up their collection, use those, your stories get instantly pretty. Play around with text. As you know, Instagram has about 5 or so, I would say, texts to work with on Instagram stories. And again, it can get a little bit boring and limited. So you can kind of do some different text style to make it sort of pop out and be 3D. So one thing I like to do is kind of layer text. So what I'll do is I'll copy and paste my title or something 2 times in different colors. Usually I'll do black and white, and then I'll kind of put one of them on top of the text once I've placed it and kind of move it up or down or to the side to my liking to kind of create a drop shadow effect. As well, what a lot of people do, personally I don't have the time for this, but if you have the time, you can do sort of every letter separately with a highlight around it in a different color, and you can kind of create a rainbow-esque or a, I don't know, bubble letter, I would say, a bubble letter sort of effect on your stories. Use the sketch tool. The sketch tool is underrated. She's an underrated girl and we need to give her her flowers, okay? If you're in a rush or you don't got time for this shit, which I completely understand, press the sketch tool, make some scribbles, make some cute lines, do some hearts. I know you guys have practiced from sending Snapchat streaks in the middle of the night, okay? Everyone knows how to draw, I hope. And you know, practice makes perfect, but even if you just do a couple lines, make a grid, just do a little signature at the bottom, the possibilities are literally endless of what you can do. You can also press the sketch tool, press a color. If you hold on the screen, the whole background will become that color. And then what you can do is you can kind of use the erase tool to make different dots or different designs to like slightly reveal your post or do a bunch of different things. Anyways, the sketch tool is underrated and we need to continue to praise her. Finally, once again, head to Pinterest or YouTube to look for some story designs. When you have a little bit more time on your hands or you have practiced a bit and you're artistic or you have artistic skills, I am not artistically inclined. I really try my best, but it's not for me, love. So I know my comfort zones, I know my limits. But there's lots of amazing YouTubers out there and Pinterest ideas with different designs that you can do for your stories, and you can take the time to replicate those designs. Just, you know, make sure you're keeping a healthy time around it. Let's not spend 24 hours on a story, because the whole point of stories is to make quick instant shots without thinking about it too much and posting it on your story to share amazing memories with your friends and family, or just networking and showing your products. And that wraps up my tips for aesthetically pleasing, creative Instagram stories, quick and easy. I hope you found this video to be of value, and hopefully I'm gonna see some amazing Instagram stories coming up in the next couple days. You guys better tag me. Make sure to stick around for my next video coming up, where I'm gonna be showing you guys how I customize my Mac in different ways to make it aesthetically pleasing and all the hacks and all that jazz. Make sure to stay safe, have an amazing day, and Goya.